Hello fellow traders, this is the second part of the series of trading the basics. I hope, I don't know if you noticed, but there is some difference or change in the dates because I'm always trading the same account. So this is actually why we create this channel for the past 2 years. So actually the amount is significantly higher because probably here you're going to see some information that are not absolutely true because there are also some floating. However, this is not the case in this series because you can check every time our results and so on. Again, thank you very much for your comments and thank you very much also for subscribing and so on. This will be a very short version of the video. We will talk about the gains, the daily gains, and what is your winning ratio. A very important factor that will affect your profitability, let's say, and also this is related to the risk reward ratio. However, we will be fast at this video because it's just a second part and I'm trying to tight up the time, let's say. I will try to give you some examples. I have prepared this Excel sheet to show you some examples on how to understand, because some people claim numbers that are close to science fiction. And to what I mean by that, there are some people out there that claim that they can take 1% per day, 3%, 5%, and so on. However, the numbers are non-realistic, let's say. Not even close. People who already knows a bit of the basic math can already understand. That's why I have created this chart. Let's say that the approximate amount is for 3 years. If someone is trading for 3 years and this person claims that can give you 1% per day, which is enormous. I mean, trust me, there is no way that someone can do it very easy. However, I will throw a disclaimer here. There are some exceptional traders out there, and some numbers might seem a bit unrealistic. However, keep a small basket when someone tells you the story, because most of these traders do not show exactly what they are doing, and this is normal. I mean, you cannot show what you are doing exactly. Being a trader, you need to make a decision. Of course, you predetermine your stop losses, your wins, and so on. However, it's a live market. You need to be prepared. That's why we have prepared this series, and I'm always trading a real account for the purposes of this series. But remember that all profits go to my sub. So stay tuned, subscribe, leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm, and so on. Now, let's say that your initial capital is 100 USD. And we are using a daily winning percentage of 1%. Our final amount in trading in 3 years, 3 years I have calculated approximately 1004 days. Now why not 1000? Let's say that I'm not good with round numbers, even though I know how to use them. So let's say that someone is trading for 3 years and he's finally tried to convince you that he can give you 1% per day. So you might think that this is not a realistic expectations. However, trust me, this is the number that you will get. And I will give an example of my account. Remember that we started with 100 and now it's floating at around 600 USD. The account is in euro. It's 5-7, something like that, which is still floating. My percentage ratio, my winning ratio, let's say, it's approximately 0.23, 0.25. So let's say that in 3 years, I will approximately have 1000, starting for 100. The number makes sense. Of course, even these 0.2, it's a huge success, and trust me on that. We have discussed that many times. Imagine now that someone tells you that can give you a 2% per day. So if you give him a 2%, I mean, if that person can guarantee 2%, the total amount, I mean, I will need one more show to try that number. I think it's 43 billion or something like that. So this is a very simple example on how to trade and understanding not only the risk reward, your winning ratio and so on, because in this series and in these videos, what we are doing, we are giving explanations and we are trading real markets, and this is the reason. Of course, trading is risky, so every time I need to say that we do that for entertainment and you don't have to follow my trades. In any case, thank you very much. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comments. Trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.